So if you go in public to go and look for a man, you have a problem, brain disorder, a shower in disguise. And we are speaking to the issue that when you do this, this is the effect. That a woman with all the values that God gave you, you can go into public and look for a man. You are a shame in disgrace.
I'm sorry, Counselor, that is your opinion. Whatever opinion you have or you want to say, you can say it. Are you okay for you to say it?
But it's not okay. But
I'm not.
No, but
you don't have any.
I shower in disguise. I've explained to you what my definition of a shower is. So I don't know why you are trying to look for a new definition.
Your daughter has expressed an interest in one man. Any person. Would you call your daughter a prostitute? For expressing that feeling or getting
your daughter has expressed interest in that
is right. Say
your daughter will come and tell you I love you. No
right.
Kojo.
Right.
I want to go on a date with you.
So why should it be public?
Right.
Because it's my choice.
It's wrong.
No,
it's wrong.
Your choices are different from mine.
If it's wrong, it's wrong. How do you go public?
Because
you go public. No, you go public.
Because I wanted to.
Do you regret going for that program?
I don't regret one bit. And I definitely don't regret. Prostitution is the practice of a sexual activity in exchange for payment.
No.
And there's no sexual scandal around the program that I went to.
Stop these things.
There's no sexual scandal around it. There's no sexual. It was my choice. It was my choice to go. I didn't go there to go and open my legs and go and say bedimio. I didn't go and do that.
What did you look for?
I went to get a date. I didn't go say brother bedimio. Prostitution, like I said.
Can you take a full picture?
Prostitution.
Look at this.
Listen.
Look at this.
Prostitution.
Even in slippers. Turn your
please,
back.
Please.
Come on.
Counselor.
This. Look.
This is sexual harassment.
Counselor, please.
No, watch. Don't do that. Don't do that.
I don't like what you are doing. I don't like what you are doing. Prostitution is a practice of a sexual activity in exchange for payment. I did not go there to go and say, bedimi. I went for a date. Every woman has a choice to make. I didn't go and beg.
They just told me that's what you did.
Please, what are you saying? You always have a way of twisting words.
They told me that you went to beg.
You have to stop.
No, did you go and beg a man to love you?
Counselor, I went for a date. Counselor, you or four people should know what date is.
No.
You should know what dating is.
You went to beg a man to love you.
Counselor,
you
are always twisting people's words. Everybody knows that about you. Everybody knows that about you.
Now your family allow you to come into public and come and do this.
Everybody knows that about you.
The area you live, if the men there are not admiring you, can you show me your area? Let me show you an area that they can admire such a thing. Because you see, Hewes have some charisma. And she said, one ball. Connection. That's not
right.
Can you apologize to your family?
Please, Counselor, please. Why? Sammy, I have told you this. There's a difference. There's a vast difference. And Counselor, there's a vast difference.
I'm listening for the first time.
There's a for the first time. Me feel come put.
Thank you very much.
Me feel come because I say.
No, thank you. I shall want to say. Obi I do I want to I shall. I show cracker.
Counselor.
Counselor,
hey.
I've not watched the thing. I'm going to watch the thing because of you. That you went and a guy who distress someone like you. Obi a mekra and you be a commit my second wife.
Counselor,
no, you say whoa. It's a member now. How do you call them? How do you call them? You don't have any right to do that to me. You don't have any right to do that to me. You don't have any.
Even when the guy
is a definition for prostitution, and you know it. This is dating and you know, as a counselor, you know. As a counselor, you know.
No, what did
you know?
I said, going to look for a date.
You are free for consoling. Yes. Maybe I won't cry. You won't cry. It's okay.
You are taking advantage. Don't worry.
I get advantage.
You are taking
advantage.
Why am I?
Mimi will come back. Me worry, Counselor Lutro. Mimi will come back.
I don't know who you are. Who you are?
Boy, no crow disappoint you, crow.
Yeah,
boy, no disappoint you, crow. You soon are
disappointed.
And a boy, you see, boy, can say,
why am I girl on to me?
Cry, and after the tears,
you need to stop this name calling and
you see, Yafe, you are an ostrich, and in your beard, this is your mentality. You have a sister. Console. You have a sister like this. That your sister will go through this, and you'll be happy with it. That a guy. Can you show me the face of the boy?
The girls say be nice guy.
Who say?
The girls.
You are a man.
What to say? Sexual scandal be what? This show way home. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Counselor has some nerves. I don't know what is wrong with him. I don't know what is wrong with him.
And dirty sides. Don't go there.
Counselor, so it's so difficult for him to accept that women have a choice on this planet Earth. We have choices to make, and you don't even have to say it for us because you are a man, and you can't even be a woman. I wonder how you get to understand your kids, because I don't know.
Because you have gotten to a stage where no man is coming, so you are begging men to want you. What do you mean by that? They said we shouldn't say it. Shame on you. Shame on you.
Shame on you.
That you are begging men to come and love you with this body you are carrying. Shame again. Assembly say, Abaya not your me that. Honestly, I have no idea about what.
But it's a general topic. I mean, your dating sites are in Kofoko, someone compare relationship.
Yes.
On only circumstance of TV show.
Yes.
This is not the first time we says.
Yes.
But as a counselor, no. I never say no. I didn't share. I want to say, is it right?
Thank you. See, in the first place, you know, you were be a friend in creation therapy. You know the purpose and the reasons why things are created and things are made. Nyamenti ni adwempo eta nyamenti ayeye. Ebi ni oba. Oba enka nyankopon enhyehyɛ fitifiti ase ni. Emba brofo kase bi the afterthought. Emba ya afterthought. Omo ye addition to the last end of the subtraction. Na omo benya mfaso kese pa efise de ma bema ye bema ye yifi ni mu de bo won. Eti se ye were magnet na ye use any magnetic material bia de bo ade bia we afi se wo de paper gu osesi a na wo dropping magnet eto so a de di kan no de eba ne say it doesn't attract. Attraction goes down to zero. But once but emre a woman say eba ne say ferrous material eye dade e chi magnet wo mpa na ye den apeki ebi ni mema ema ye nkrofobia nyame bo omo ye ase so mfa ntuo hia ase eti ye bo wo ba woni ohia eto nkwanta ma ye den mapai enufuo ye de bema eto ye de bema ahofe ye de bema eti oba obedu pempensuo bi a odane dompi a ohwehwe kraman no na ne ho na abo ne ho so ana opese oyi ahyawo na onim kon be fa so aye
because ahyawo dey say too strong a word to use.
Well, odi ameka asema o say enye na adwen ye na ntina mba aye kafra abrawa o kasa na metie de kasa na pa eti enye ni ntina mba aye ben say ne kura sa story na ko abebre ama company bi kura bu efu kura minim say what stories now unfortunately for us in the story in our narration me na me nimpo say there was a show like that. I don't think say no, it's not a station. I mean the brand, the company. But that's because it was associated to me. Said this is what I did.
There's a topic on board.
One geography, you make us say, ya share the bio, and I person distribute obi brand.
I know the only company that's.
Many last time na metie, na metie hai.
Made the topic about.
Etim beso ti asese, yes okan bibi. Ni sem okan me ni ba ko ma ahye ni nkunai. Se na be ya onko yo okuna. Tie ni ye ohima man ko yo okuna. What I say? Se odu ba bi na be ma bi amba check level. Se mbe ma de so mo ba. obi hu ti baby na bibi a mema mbabio ma de di kan e baby anam ne na enye enkrofo ade o associate na enye ohun ofe e na wo frankrofo mo ho tan o da se wo yo ba na ho ofa adamfofo ofa na hwese mo nyina mo ho ofa nye pe e na oba awon adamfofo mo nyina wo pe na ho ofa me ne o mo nante mbom unu de ti a e se baby bi hia na o yese a o mo nyina nim se wo ne ye frɛ no
when you
are walking with, when you are 3 girls in a row and you are the only beautiful one standing out, either you have enough breast or enough butt, or you smile a lot, or your skin color is presentable like the lady on my right hand side. This is a presentable skin color. It's not like Leah in the Bible who has weak eyes and flawless skin. The skin was multicolored. What I'm saying is that if you have such a skin and you follow people who are walking, they are short, they are flat chested, they don't have anything. What you say? Wani ane kasa and na wo hu ye fere ya unda no ti first omo ye monkey no fine mommy like them no omo done first then the next thing they tell you wo na ye fere
feel like boy ba e ya wo no for man na my answer that here
me tell say me down for usually most of the times you will fear ye ntem pie and we are all beautiful ladies. The problem here is not just me. Like I said earlier, there are other women who are just like me or more experiencing the same thing.
No, my dear. Where you are going is not what the question they ask. Have you ever walked in trees and they have called only you and left the rest? No, yes. So I continue my conversation. Okay. I am reading a book.
It has happened before.
Congratulations. Can we pause there? Don't talk again. They are listening to you so that they don't get offended. Watch it here, my brother. Any prophecy, a life diary. It's a balance within the category of a man for the woman. A man quiet to say in quote too unique. Or bow yes, what chance will be pale because your friend now cover you become reluctant in accepting the guy, even if he's qualified. Now look at the church setting. Hey, I beside just some kid, sorry, Cotier. I dear cover and say, I sorry, them I am man dos nam ho. And to who get away first now I send a pair. Open up, that's all in the train plan. And now, what dear, what I say? Now, group of your woman, Tino. Oh, can you see no? No, I go who are Bramu 442 group 782. No, Muntie. Sammy Kane so say. Sammy Kane so say, so let me train plan. I say, guy, who then or you my baby. So they rubbish the person in the church. The next time you see, because he didn't agree. The next person is that the other group no so. Now I sorry them we see or now I sorry them hano. A man or what in our day was see but the fact is that the first person that the guy went to denounced not to accept because of the friends. The American constitution.
Counselor, me patrol. It depends on and you don't have to depend on your friends to accept a man or to accept to get to know a man. It depends on Subaya or only Pakwana open Pakwana and then you feel that you would want to go on a date with the person and get to know the person. Fine. There's no need to go and tell your friends about it.
Hello, you're advising them. Whether they will take your advice is another thing. Thank you for what I say. This is from the voice of the lady. Because you know this is the so let me land for you. No, I'm telling you the reason because of KBB. Or catch what to push one to go there. And I'm telling you, sir, the reason you see a push you be money kohono. And yet true. And that's what I'm trying to learn. Now one team and come on and say. Say Ulu baby na say watching too much into the next place is to go and select a man for date. No.
It don't feel so watching too much into now.
Well, say I'm Paso Kobia.
Me Kobe. Then it's not because they may change.
They've not said that they've been assaulted to me in Canada. Men Canada.
I don't know what to
I mean to me in Canada.
Who chin too much?
Then they
because
no, but that's what you're heading to.
It's been landed.
That's what you're heading to.
So should I land?
Kasla, what's your problem?
Wait, counselor.
I mean, that's a shower. You can't shower for me. Can't so you know, me can't so find a home count. I mean, talk about so.
Everybody is sister or two of a shower.
I saw your virgin as I shower straight. And you will be and you're undefined issues. But come on. Nyansa. Ajahi. Now that I'm coming back to where security? I got we have I'm ready to come on. And to so bar. Adani don't pay up a crama and one bottom also MFS.
That is a girl with one bottom was waiting for some programs.
Well, said, yeah, when you see your code, we are not here. Tea, you're going. No one when I bought also, tea me, because tea. Or baby, Anama, me say, dear, what bear me more ye, I had the ball, but a fre. How on earth to a married woman who is working with a ring, well branded, still be having crash? And a single girl with everything that Moesha is paying for has no call. What is it? Where's it coming from? One Namika said, it could be said you have been in the wrong place. There are some level of beauty with it's not area beer or beer builder. Acquiring self Jimmy from me ma one on mepel. No man do would die womb. And Yamawa feel it is asked for you or be pelbu. And now you find yourself dating a particular guy for more than 14 days. Mean Bisano. Now one account help people group no. 6 years with one boyfriend, Jimmy advertising the boyfriend, Jimmy number 2. Jimmy number 3, Yanine Casem, and even my boyfriend says, Eti, from 20 or talking 28, 30, Naga them said they were used to if you more not actually. Now for the sake.
What date will be more than 5 years now?
In dating will be more than 5 years.
On dating put that no first date, and I'm a boy. So when you first date attempt.
David.
And why you be that?
I've been on dates before. Dates.
No, when young Crawford dating.
Yes, we go out on a date, we get to know each other, whether we want to continue.
And why you be
Of course, yes.
And when your first time I'll pay.
There
when you're now copy. I know my pal.
It's a mutual feeling. You are friends.
Me a sabro Debbie be said, dear, when now copy, because in this time you are the one searching. Let's be truthful to ourselves. Now, like truth.
So, can you?
No, the last time is that. That one take question. I said, me, yes.
And then when you have a friend, it starts with friendship.
No, I'm not talking. No, you are not. Don't go. No, she's going beyond the question. I'll come to that level. As for building friendship and later on becoming a date partner, I'm saying, in this venture, you were looking for a date, and I'm saying your previous act of dating, were you the one who went for them, or they came for you? That's what I want to go.
It started on friendship basis, and then
so in your whole life, nobody has walked you direct to date you before. It's always they befriend you.
There's been a point, I think once or twice, where.
That means you have 200 dates or something you're talking about, hey, my sister.
What?
I mean, you have more dates because it's 2 or once or twice. Yeah, it is.
They cut 2 or once or twice.
And you test it.
As I
said, I say, Berman, so pepper, I say a boy.
On Castle Berman, I
say a boy, because you
come more than 2 or 3 or
I say a boy because you got
on dates.
And I make us a dates now you've been on. And you say, Memman, they walk it to you. And now, who now compare one?
Most of it is based on friendship and
then
it goes on a date. But then again,
Medasi, not just say, thank you, not just say, what boy, not just say, what back, come, mush Facebook, mush again, or tear. When you are dear, be a decoji, Yadiko Masama for, where are dear Gilo? Mush again, Moon Conam Gosheni, Mosheni. Now, so Bassi. Actually, I say, only dating lifestyle, no, constantly, no. They are called by the say, or starting friendship. Now, Obian crashing soda. Eti baby, I will do, or no, didn't hook up, ma. I'm will choosing the choice there. Then there's a deficiency. It is wrong. It's a mental deficiency.
A mental deficiency.
A mental deficiency. When you pension be in commodity, or saying Crawford Green say, when you tell them you are not going out, they look at the way you are, and why did they say you are not going out? Are you? Yes. But if you are not married, and any man meets you and say, are you going out? It's a senseless question. Give me a question. I mean, we only question people who are married. They say, why should I black boy now say, so are you going out? That's a stupid question. With no apologies.
So then I think you should address them.
We are not addressing them, we are addressing you because you forced yourself to answer these questions. You don't see it like a stupid question. You force yourself to answer because you are using the previous relationship to match the current relationship. So you want a yardstick. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, sorry, I'm coming from. I'm telling you now. Me say, or baby or coco gina baby say me choose me so bear man. Ne one born also. Or you're burden to society and family.
Counselor, I beg to differ.
Your deferment is not changing my language. It is your view.
Yes, you see, that is it. I've been following you. I've been watching your interviews and all of that.
Yes.
And then that's just how it goes. It's like once you have your opinion, nobody else.
No, I don't stop people. Your opinion goes, but I'm saying that your opinion,
as you can ever imagine.
That's good, but your opinion doesn't change. I'm not changing you. I'm saying that any woman who goes to look for men have a brain disorder.
That is Frida, do you have a brain disorder?
I'm fine. I'm perfect. So I don't know what he is talking about.
So
maintenance and Frida, it was my decision. Frida.
No,
it was my decision to go. Wait,
I'm waiting, my sister. Flow, sister. Cock, we salami answer. Young cock girl.
Counselor, Monsieur. Mami Bissau. Sir, you think it's wrong for a woman to make a choice by herself?
No choice for what? Are you buying dresses, shoes, lipstick, punch, hair? Or what?
If you have is there a reason for a woman not to have
the question now? Healing medicine. Is
it wrong for a woman not to make her own choice?
Choice of what?
Choice of the kind of men she wants to be with.
What a shameful statement. This question. That is the most disgraceful thing to hear from a beautiful girl who shameful. Hello. Maybe I selected what I selected today? You have faith. No crane say, Oban who of feno. The question is say, and was yes or bad who of fair. I dear Bemme here be our one home, or Nampa or Pem Mema, or no sim Mema pet, may say, Newabon Hoso, or Yenimguasia Mamma Yabo, or on one castle Nam be one who knew him say, and ain't
a man right somebody choose their preference.
Preference. Now watch it here. So let me tell you what happens with personality. In the 5 stages of choosing a life partner, the first thing you can ever do to even go out for a date is that you need what we call premarital counseling to discover who you are. What's any statement now? Or say, she made it clear, and I was listening quietly. Not just say she didn't move just to go and start selecting men, but she went with a premeditated mentality of incident that has occurred. Say, and mama be bread na action plan. Oman fona nkosi gaga gay.
I'm sorry, Counselor, that is not what I said.
I said this is not your first date.
The fact that I said it wasn't my first date.
So there was a date waiting and you went for next date.
The reason why I went, the long and short of it, is because it was my choice to make.
But nobody is defining that. Nobody says no your choice. No. And the question they ask him is not about your choice.
No, somebody usually it's the aura around energy now surrounding the how smart the person is, because first when you see someone it's clear.
No, say energy, smartness. I'm just marking the words. I'll come back to energy, smartness. Yanko. Abraham, write the things down. Smartness, energy.
How the person
speech.
Okay. And then, like I said, the energy around the person.
Energy times 2 square.
So I'm more focused on the positive things about the person.
What are you talking, girl? Who lied to you?
That's what I see.
No one that did throw it here. Do you have the ability to see energy? We have orators. We have orators who are drunkards. We have orators who are senseless.
That is why
we have orators who have nothing to offer. So what are you talking about?
The person.
You see?
And then you get to know the person.
Sa guy which you see in work, I said there was a certain level of aura around him, there was energy around him. Nina, you know, Aquano, I accept this on obey deity. You spoke with emotions, what did Yabi Kasai? And then I just say, is there a problem with you?
I don't have any problem.
No, but how will you know you have a problem?
Oh, but am I not supposed to know?
No, but you can't say you have a problem. No, you don't know. You don't know.
Oh, how? Why?
No, that's what I'm reminding you. You have found people with energy. My dear, love, listen to me. You find people with energy, people with speech. You have met a lot of people who have the aura around them. Unfortunately, you still didn't finish with them, and you went for new aura, new speech, new energy. You have a problem. My sister, you have a problem.
I don't have a problem.
You are too beautiful to set for a man.
You think
you are too beautiful to set for a man. What are you talking about? Which area do you live? There are girls who live in Akwele Kaswa. Men still chase them.
And it will amaze you. This is 21st.
Hello.
Counselor, men will come and go. You will be amazed.
No, men will do what?
You will be amazed.
Men will do what?
They will come and go.
Go where?
No,
where would they go? No. Hello, my dear. Men will come and go. Hello, men will come and go. So now you are confirming what I said. That the reason for you going for this new fresh date is because of your past experience.
No.
You said men will come and go, and they have come and gone. So now you took a decision. No. You see, my question, you are not getting it. Words. Okay, so I have stopped twisting words. Let me ask this question.
It was my choice.
Conversation.
This is 21st century.
No. Nobody says we are in the 30th century.
Talent. Let me. Makeup. But now God is opening businesses for women to open makeup stuff and
so going to look for a husband is one of the gifts of God. Hallelujah, church. Flow.
I'm not saying it's a gift. And don't say hallelujah to it, because if I want to say an amen to it right now, I'll add to it the fact that it was my choice.
No, we are not saying it's not your choice, but it's a shameful choice.
I'm sorry to
look how you are sitting down. You carry these things that people are paying for. Let's not glorify prostitution.
Are you saying
let's not, you see, this statement and the statement that people have not gone to study. Every time here, if it's in India, women marry men. Go and check the history behind it. Somebody made that back statement and he paid the back audience. Because people don't produce male children. So when you don't have a male child and a male walks into your family, you pay for the bride price. And men are warrior. When you find any lady on that dating site, you find any beautiful girl at any event, Bama, me perceive me steady with her, so me tasty. Who are energy? Who are aura? Who are speech? Who are body? Who are muzzle? Or ban who are born also? A shower in disguise.
No.
Are you telling
Counselor,
a shower in disguise?
That is so not correct for you.
But it is
as a counselor.
But I mean, I'm the one speaking. You made your choice. No, you made your choice.
Any authority or right
your choice. I explained to you from the beginning who a shower is. If you are a virgin, you are not a shower. Once you are not a virgin, you are a shower.
God is a God who gives chances for people to choose.
Hello, sit there. God did what? Hello, young girl. If you go to the Bible, you want to tempt me. Because as for the scriptures, don't try it. There is no. Hello, church member, listen to the man of God. Listen, church member. Church member, listen to the man of God. Listen. This is not about what they told you in Sunday school. There's no portion in scripture from Genesis to Revelation, even including the blank spaces in the Bible, that you found a woman looking for a man. My sister, anytime a woman is choosing a man, it's not because of anything. It's because the woman has lost focus. What drives her to men, where men will see her and be provoked to choose her, she's lost it. So she becomes a disgrace to femininity, disgrace to creation. Because I told you, the reason why women became important in the life of creation is Nyankopon yi ade pair what be memu and on the bomb. Send a be a nama ya kono mom or namoi, and so be driving cannot share no to me. Hello, lady. How far are you going? Hello there, Tobo na me tufu na me so yale na me san yale. Get away. Tell you tanya kwanya we once a while.
Obi driving car keke.
Tell me.
Obi driving car keke. Hello lady, na me so ma.
Now wait. Hello lady.
At that point, you would have to decide. That's where the choosing comes. You have to decide whether I want to.
You have to get no boot too. My man has you have to go. You have to mess up. Where them from? You have to mess up. No, me if where them really if you about it. My girl no boot too. No say me say. Bear my drive. No, you paper me you know. No break it. Or just say is the face in equilibrium with the back. That will be so say. How far are you going? And not just say your level is in equilibrium to the request. It is like we need to make a choice to sit in that soft chair because you roll glass me. Bogu so. But say wow, shana nanti na ya woda. Now who call him? And it's so Bema General say I have to make a choice whether to go or not. How do I make us say compare it to you going on national program, dating site, website, looking for somebody? What a shame! What a shame!
There's a better car ahead of me. Do you think I would actually stop and look at that?
Unfortunately, whether we know you are waiting for a better car or not, it's like you go to meet a lady at a date in a restaurant. If you get there and there are men walking and talking to a hi girl, can I join you? It means would they are the Abba restaurant? What did they say? Say a girl, the lesson girl is waiting for you in a restaurant, and then you get there and other men are coming. Hello girl, can I join your table? Hello girl, can I join your table? Do you know what it means? It means that the lady you have brought in the system, no, that lady really is qualified. But girl be all trained with table or two. What soon and we'll go or be under the chair or your bed. So if you go in public to go and look for a man, you have a problem, brain disorder. I shower in disguise.
I'm sorry, counselor. I am really, really sorry, but you see, there are some essentials in counseling, and one of those essentials is not to speak what the client
but we are not counseling. You
are
not a client. And you're counseling. We are speaking to the issue that when you do this is the effect. That a woman with all the values that God gave you, you can go into public and look for a man. You are a shame and disgrace.
I'm sorry, counselor. That is your opinion. Whatever opinion you have or you want to say, you can say it.
But I am saying it.
But it's okay. But I beg to differ.
No, but I shower in disguise. I've explained to you what my definition of a shower is. So I don't know why you are trying to look for a new definition.
Your daughter has expressed an interest in one man. Any person. Would you call your daughter a prostitute? For expressing that feeling or getting
your daughter has expressed interest in Yafi
is right.
Your daughter will come and tell you I love Yafi. No comment.
Kojo.
Nyekwa ale hu.
Tie.
Nyekwa goose.
Yenka say.
Who say right?
Menka say eye ope me ware o. Maba me pese me ware o. Me pese me ware o. I want to go on a date with you.
So why should it be public?
Because it's my choice.
So you see, so I'm saying that the fact that it's your choice and it's wrong, it's wrong.
No,
it's wrong.
Your choices are different from mine.
It is. If it's wrong, it's wrong. How do you go public?
Because
you go public. No, you go public.
Because I choose. I want it to be public.
Do you regret going for that program?
I don't regret. I don't regret one bit, and I definitely don't regret. Oh, me copium.
Don't worry.
Boy, reject you. Yes, name will say, boy, what's when I reject you.
He's become my friend.
Oh, but there can what I say, what I tell you. That was behind the scene. We are talking on the scene.
On the scene.
And then you go see a man. Say what opinion? What can Bema say? We manage you, we pay energy, me no be date.
Me pay speech, me pay aura.
Or reject you on national television.
Me pay speech, me pay aura.
I was not 1%.
Me pay energy, you be on you.
Hurt or disappointed.
You are too busy.
Yeah, I may have been, but at some point he was.
Oh, you are answering the question. Were you disappointed?
At some point he was. Yes, of course. At some point I was disappointed.
No, were you disappointed?
I felt that he was disrespectful because to me.
Shame on you.
Because Obisa question.
You going there to go and disgrace yourself?
It was based on
it's
the
not
question.
Shameful.
It was based on the question. No question now.
Jadia Wokano, you met an aura, you met energy.
And no answer me.
Madam.
And no answer.
So now is she blaming herself? No, are you blaming yourself? This is where I say, Obisa a question be. So your answer didn't go right. That's why you love the
guy. Perfect.
No, perfect to who?
My answer was
perfect to who?
And at some point he was like, okay.
Yeah, perfect to who?
It should have been like this.
Girl,
but
perfect to who?
It happened like that.
Hey, let me advise you. If you don't take care, be careful, pa. Because why they are down for no? Why down for to compensate you for the disgrace in public? Are you serious?
Please,
you bring this girl home finally as another year. You bring this girl home, and the only recognized institution and an activity that we can read about her life is that this is the lady that was disappointed publicly. Are you serious in life? Even public proposal is a shame and disgrace to femininity. That a man will bow down before you in public and ask you, will you marry me? How much more you going to look for somebody you think is a suitor for you? It is because you have lost what it takes for you to become a woman. My dear, you are sick.
I'm not sick.
Wow.
I'm very well.
You
are sick. And you need to be cured.
I'm not sick.
You are sick.
I'm not sick.
I am
just because
telling you.
you are saying it doesn't mean
you are sick.
So
I'm not sick.
You are sick.
I'm
don't
not
do
sick
that.
one
And yes, Oba, baby, I'm not catching bear man. Hello?
Hello?
Never just say. Never just say.
Oh, really, council and what I say.
I didn't see her.
Say, as I see, so now for 3. Now say, mistake, yeah, I else. But the way I'll count on the figure of the kid.
Yeah, and your name mistake. I am going to anymore. Open another. Or see your name mistake. Or see your name mistake. Or see your name mistake.
So that you are making sense.
Or see your name mistake. When people don't accept their mistake, what do you do? Then I kick out on open another.
Oh, no, so now for 3.
Or see your name mistake. Or see your name mistake. After them. When people are not, they say she's done the right thing.
Yes, Bessie Bema pay, I will beg you, man. Hello?
Mobile jam by a woman was a sir.
Maybe I shall try to get time call.
On your mistake. Get this your name mistake. Now, why a choice? Radio station.
Hello? But you're trying to call.
Yeah, as soon as I can really I think because already of this is I saw over them at the end. I told you don't
Okay.
Abraham na die house ah. Unya ga be ko bi. Wo chira wo.
Hello? But you're trying to call.
okay.
Atoni fo gugu when ma gwete aye se fu atre wo. No se ayo ya igbenu.
What do you want to tell me?
Wa gu ayi go fu ni ma shame on you.
After all this
beautiful thing sitting there. Even me married, I want to make you a second wife.
You see,
useless.
I didn't that you that you are even married.
I say even me who is married, I see potential in you to make you a second wife. There are young boys working like, I understand people like Samike, they don't have what it takes to marry such a thing, but it doesn't mean you go and divorce yourself.
I don't want.
No, it's not that you don't want. You will get. And yes, no. And yes, and you me no. And you me no on pen. I want no better so. Young girl like you. Are you not?
Because all I'm saying this teaching, opportunity to them now. And I think about news, that's maybe to.
Now
it's not
hey!
You have every right.
Can you shut up with the Bible
decision you want to make?
What do you mean?
Life and everything that we make is based on our decisions.
We'll say.
Everything that we do.
Not when a beautiful girl like you. Not when a beautiful girl like you has become so distressed. Oh no, you don't have a decision. It's a shame. It's not your. It's a shame. No, it's a shame.
To you.
No, it's a shame.
No, cancel. You never social media. Is this man mad? Feel like, were you looking for fame? Final question.
She's gotten it.
Obviously not.
No, you're on radio now.
You are looking for love.
The fact that I'm on radio now,
if not because of this, if not because of disappointment, like they won't give you the chance to come to radio. It's the disappointment that has landed in you.
And
wow.
But
you look way better in person.
Okay, counselor.
You are too beautiful to go and disgrace. You have to apologize to your family.
Apologize to my
family. You disgrace the family.
I think you should apologize to yourself for
you should apologize to your family.
Apologize to yourself for thinking your opinion.
No, there are a lot of people. There are some tribes when people are coming from some tribes and they do such things, they are pardoned and accepted. But there's some families you don't expect this to happen. There are some tribes that you don't have women going this level unless you see the girls. They have decided to take care of their own self. My brother. A woman with such features. See her on Facebook. She kwan ya atwetwe nkrofo dia ye radio sa ye TV sa e dia twa billboard sa dia ye yie. Nyankopon mo ba ya se di tu ohiase. Na wo de ko sresra de. Pacho.
Man fa uncle send me the
Who got slap them as on dating?
Man go slap
What dating them attend that? Now
don't twist my words. I've told you not to do that.
No, I didn't twist it. Who's who dating?
Messi me dating.
And I'm by my choice. I'm adding numbers.
You see, you by your choice.
I remember saying what
Oh, to me can. Oh, to me can.
Me to make us.
two.
Obwa.
Membwa.
Obwa the two. There be two penny wa brand na uko public. There be two. Abraham kura 7 kura nko jina kuro mu. Two penny. There be two penny.
I don't see any reason why.
Real quick. Then I make a check Ghana first.
The kind.
Time call.
And about anybody's program. It's not about anything. The standard is that it's not about any program going on anywhere. But the truth of the matter is that the value placed on a woman is diminished. It becomes senseless when a woman loses what it takes for a man to look for her. I'm pleading with all women, like this, my dear sister, that if there's any problem you are going through, the last thing you ever consider is to get to a situation in any site on social media or any program to become vulnerable. When men, listen carefully, when men go in to look for women in such venture, it is acceptable in quotes because men are hunters. Yeah. But when a woman can come and say, I need aura, smell, energy, strength, and look, it means she is sick. Ladies and gentlemen, don't begin to practice prostitution in disguise in the name of looking for love. If you are confused and sick right now, write this number down. Even you can write 0277 609 644. Listen to me carefully. 0277 609 644. And this is to the families. Don't allow your beautiful girls, like this wonderful girl sitting on my right hand side, to walk out there and look for love because they will disgrace the family. And I think she has to apologize to her family as I stand.
Free love.
Kojo, counselor.
You can find news to very quick. Am I right?
Say opinion.
Are you addressing me? Because I've come back.
I'm addressing you.
Your
opinion doesn't always mean
it is not opinion.
It is correct.
You are wrong.
Don't think
when you address me,
correct.
Can you sit somewhere? Don't address me.
Listen,
if you address me,
women out there, to every woman out there, you have a choice to make. Don't sit down for any man
to come to you
to show you what you want or what you do not want.
Don't sit down for any man to come to you.
You have your own choices to
go
make.
and look for the men.
Make a choice.
You are ready to
talk. A man can come to you and you still have the choice to make whether you would want to go ahead with it or not.
Okay,
so please make that choice.
Okay, but that's it.
The power is yours.
I feel like the power is yours.
The power is not for anybody. That beautiful girl like you, I beg girl with fair skin. You are not even an Ashanti.
Keep your vision
I beg girl like
stay safe.
If you are Abraham way is strong, then you go to pop.
That's why better check. And I'm not the even Abraham way.
Well, it's just about yes, sir. So in conclusion, my position is very simple. It's not about any event, it's not about any program, but it's about the truth. And the truth is that when we find women now getting to the position of trying to push themselves on men, then we've lost the originality of why God brought them on earth. If you are one of the people who you are stranded, and for that matter, you are looking for love and looking for a man to love you, looking for a man to marry you by force, and you have a deficiency, seek for help. 0277 609 644. All of you who want to support our foundation is 055 000 5077. Or you want to do a Zelle account in the United States of America, 862 215 2007. Remember, my statement is simple. It's not about any program going on. It's not about any show anywhere. So it is not against your whatever you call it. Say there's a program, something rash. It's not about that.